Dear students, today we are going to learn about the classroom style banquet setup in this practical. Let's move further. As you can see in this picture, all the tables and chairs are aligned as it is aligned in the classroom or maybe in the lecture room. So that is the reason why this kind of an banquet setup is considered as classroom style banquet setup. As just now I have mentioned why it is called the classroom style banquet setup, reason being here all the tables and chairs are arranged in the same pattern or in the same way as we arranged in the school or maybe in the classes or maybe in the lecture rooms. So what we have found over here is chair and tables are aligned consecutive in a straight rows. Consecutive means one after the another. Now let's talk about some of the advantages or the positive aspects of this kind of an setup. Some of the merits which has been associated with this kind of an setup is all the participants or the guests are facing towards to the main function room area or to be focusing to the main head table area. So that makes very easy for them to listen if anybody has been giving lecture to them by standing at the front area or maybe at the podium or maybe it can be the small stage also. Second important aspect of this kind of a setup is we have been providing table in front of each guest, so that table makes them very easy if they want to note down anything which is relevant as far as that particular meeting or as far as that particular lecture is concerned. So here by providing tables we are going to make their note taking process very easy. Third thing, which is again very important thing, it happens due to the table only. Because of the table, any kind of an pre-plated food and beverage items can be served from the front side, and it becomes very convenient for the participant and the guest to have that kind of an food items which has already been laid on the table in front of them. Now let's talk about some of the demerits of this kind of an setup. Here you can see all the audiences are just sitting next close to each other. So till the time on each table, if you are keeping two chairs only, then in that case maybe it is very easy for the guest to enter or exit. But in case in on each table, if you are going to provide more than three chairs, then in that particular case it becomes very inconvenient for the guest to enter or exit. Second thing is we need to provide a free passage areas in between the tables, and those free passage areas will be called as an LA. Third demerit is, as in this kind of an setup, if we compare this setup with that of our theater style setup, in theater style setups we were not using the table, but here in this kind of an setup we have been using the table. So this table is occupying most of the area of the banquet, so that's why the carrying capacity or the banquet carrying capacity or the number of the guests which can be accommodated in a banquet hall is definitely going to be get reduced. Moving to the last point, here if we talk about the interaction between the audiences, yes, it is quite very sure if the guest has been sitting next to each others then they can easily be able to interact, but here the interaction is hindered. Here one of the guests who has been sitting in the front row cannot be able to interact with the other guest who would be sitting just behind to him. So that's why the interaction between the guest would be very less in this case. Now let's talk about where this particular kind of an setup is very much popular. This kind of an setup is very much popular once you have been providing any training to the students or any training to the corporates where any writing part will be there. For simple conferences also this kind of an setup can be used. For any kind of an sales promotions this kind of an setup is used. For product launching also. Next thing is, as we all know, this kind of an setup is quite very popular in schools and colleges for the students.